Hey, it's Scott Balkin with Tech Cuts, and today we are going to be building this Sabrent toolless Thunderbolt 3 NVMe drive enclosure, and we're putting a Pony 2 terabyte super fast NVMe drive in there. Let's go over here to the bench and see what we get. So we're going to be installing a Thunderbolt 3 to NVMe SSD tool-free enclosure, and this is the Pony XLR8 Gaming 2 terabyte super fast SSD. Both of these I purchased with my own money, so yeah, this review is that. So let's unbox, see what we get here. So this is the Sabrent. I've heard good things. And we get a box. We get a large manual, not for tiny little Smurfs, but actually for real humans. And wow, it's very easy. Okay, you get a Thunderbolt 3 cable. And if you notice on a Thunderbolt 3 cable, it will say 3 on it. If it says 3, that's a Thunderbolt 3. If it doesn't say 3, it's not Thunderbolt, it's USB. And it might just be power delivery. So you get a short little cable. You get, this is a thermal pad for the NVMe drive. That's a 1.2 millimeter, and then this is a 0.8 millimeter. And then you get this little package of silica gel. Don't eat that. Now we have the actual Sabrent here. Let's just take this and put it over here. Open this up. And well, this is a well-constructed, that is a all aluminum. It's actually very nice. Very well built. Let's see, the Thunderbolt. Yep, that's satisfying. Listen to that. That's gonna really, one more time. It's got a solid, like, metal thunk, a kerthunk, if you will. So let's install the NVMe in here, but first let's open that. Push these over, and well. Just open this just like this. This is the Balkan Blue edition. And we open this up. Wow, that is tiny. They just keep getting smaller and smaller, and this is 2 terabytes. Wow. And there is our Pony XLR8. This is the CS3030. And it's good for something like 3 gigabytes a second. That's really fast. And I'm excited about it. Now to install, let's just place that there. This is toolless, so, well, we should be able to, well, if I had little fingers, there we go. Oh. Okay, turn it and open it. Nice. Okay, that was it. Oh, look at this. I don't even need a screwdriver. So if you look right in here, you can see there's just a little tab. You just slide that over and lock it into place. That's pretty slick. So this should be a really complicated install. Place the drive in just like that. Push it down. Flip that lever over. And yeah, it's installed. So now we need to determine how much thickness. Does that go like that? Wait a minute. Oh, keep pushing it all the way around. Perfect. And that has a little indentation in there to keep you from making that exact mistake right there. And nope, that takes it just like that. Now, there's a 1.2 and there's a 0.8. Let's see which one of these is required. I'm not sure why there's holes in it though. That's a little weird. So that will definitely make a firm connection. And you definitely want, since this is all aluminum, this is a solid piece of aluminum right here, you definitely want a good firm press onto this because this will help dissipate the heat like crazy. So we're going to peel off the back. Just like so. And we're going to place it. Well, before we do that, let's review the instructions. So you definitely want it to be solid. So we're going to take this and we're going to peel off just a corner here. There we go. Now, place that haphazardly on here. That doesn't look very nice and neat. Well, we're going for broke here. There we go. Now we're going to peel this off. And then we're going to push this in, take this, and lock it. And boom, that's it. We have a very fast Thunderbolt 3, really fast drive. So how fast is it? Let's find out with the MacBook. So first we're going to take it and plug it in. Doesn't matter where, they're both Thunderbolts on this. I'll just turn it this way. It's upside down, but it'll be okay. Next, the disk you attached was not readable by this computer. Well, let's initialize it. And we see that we have an external drive. We are going to erase that. And we're going to call it Scott's TB SSD. Yeah, baby. And we're going to do Mac OS Extended Journaled. Erase. Boom. And it's done. Now we go in here and we select the drive. And now we've selected the drive. Let's see how fast we get. Ooh, we're getting, well, right at 1100 write and 1500 read. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. So as you can tell, it was really painless and really simple to install. It does get warm after you've been using it for a while. After that copy that we did, it got a little toasty. However, toasty is fine as long as it's dissipating. You can still hold it. It was not that big of a deal. But if these stay cool, then they stay fast. So this being warm tells you that it's dissipating the heat away from the NVMe drive, and that is really good news. It's very simple. It's very rugged. It's satisfying. There's a lot to it. It's a lot to enjoy. The speeds were great. I didn't honestly expect through Thunderbolt 3 for this thing to give me 3 gigabytes per second, but we got 1.4, 1.5. That's not bad for Thunderbolt 3. Yeah, pretty impressive. If you are looking for something like this, feel free to use the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, but you know, it's about sharing and helping. And if you have any questions about this, put those down below and make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is going to be my outlet for tech stuff. And you know, Tech Cuts, it's just the beginning. And I hope you find this information useful. And you know, what have you put in yours? Did you put a faster drive? What kind of performance did you get? Put that down in the comments down below. But make sure you subscribe. Let's join this wonderful journey of YouTube and be part of it. And yeah, this has been Scott Baldwin with Tech Cuts, and I don't have a catchphrase.